Introduction to Dynamic Analysis. This module will cover dynamic analysis and methods for testing Android applications. Dynamic analysis is a method of analyzing software or code while running or executing it. It involves observing the program's behavior as it interacts with different inputs or external systems while examining how it changes over time. It can help detect and diagnose problems in software such as errors or vulnerabilities by providing insights into the program's execution and behavior. Usually, it helps us identify performance issues, memory leaks, and other errors that may not be apparent from static analysis alone. Dynamic analysis techniques include debugging, profiling, and testing. Debugging involves running the program in a controlled environment and observing its behavior to identify and fix errors. Profiling consists of measuring the program's performance characteristics such as CPU usage and memory usage to identify areas that could be optimized. Testing involves using a variety of inputs and scenarios to assess the program's behavior and functionality. Dynamic analysis in Android. When it comes to dynamic analysis in Android, it involves analyzing Android apps during their execution or runtime to observe the behavior of the app, such as with user inputs, imported components, sensors, and network resources. This can help detect and diagnose app functionality and security issues consisting of cryptographic flaws, vulnerable library calls, memory leaks, and sensitive verbose errors during unexpected user inputs. Let's now look at some of the tools for dynamic analysis. Various publicly available tools can be assist during the dynamic analysis of mobile applications. Some of the most used tools that were discussed in the previous modules that are also used for dynamic analysis are Frida, Drosser, Burp Suite, then you have your MobSF.